I'm gonna take the load bed apart and the whole back end. I've still got to do some welding on the subframe, if I can call it that. And I also want to get ready to do a few other things. So I'm going to get into that. So now that I've got load bed parts everywhere, the first thing I'm going to do is weld up the bottom side of this load bed frame. That still needs to be done. I've still got to cap these box sections so that the water doesn't get in. And I cut my little plates that go on here a little bit smaller all around. It's maybe about 1 millimeter or 2 smaller, just to leave some space for the welding. I've got to add a cross brace here in the front using these short pieces of angle bar. Works very well for locating things and keeping them in place. Next job was to make 30 of these tabs, which was quite boring, I tell you. I'm going to fit them to the frame like so to provide a fastening point for the bed cover. I don't want to fasten the bed cover through the box section to prevent the entry of water into this hollow space. So yeah, now I've got to weld on 30 of them in different spots. clamping on a piece of angle bar like this works great for helping to line it up. So now I can just weld it there. So I'm back out here in the dust. It's full of cars in there, so I can't spray paint in there. I can't spray paint out here. I'll be in trouble. So I'm just going to have to paint the sky by brush. But I'm going to use one of my favorite paints, and it's a nice day, so why not? So if you see the frame moving around, there's nothing wrong with your screen or your mind. I've got it suspended from the roof, so I can paint the top and bottom in one go. I'm going to be using hammerite paint. I'm a huge fan of this product. I've been using it for many years. I don't know if it's available everywhere. But yeah, to give you an example, I built a car trailer, I don't know, maybe 6-7 years ago. I gave it 2 coats of this, and it's standing outside in the wind and the rain and the sun. It's still looking great. I'm going to brush it on by hand. It's going to take a while. It's a nice day, nice summer day. I think what I enjoy most about this product is the fact that you don't need a primer coat or anything like that. You put it directly onto the metal. As long as the worst of the rust is off, it's great. And yeah, 2 coats by brush. Well, the first coat is on. I've just got to watch it dry now. Nope, I'm bored with that. Let me rather clean up the shop.
After attending classes at the School of Hard Knocks for many years, he finally obtained his PhD in broom pushing.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment and all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.